Stop scrolling and look at the screen. Really look at it. Do you think the comment you just read was written by a human? Do you think the like you just gave went to a person? In 2025, the answer is probably not. For 30 years, we have been fighting a war for the soul of the internet. Humans versus machines. And I have some bad news. We lost. According to the latest cybersecurity reports from Imperva, we have officially crossed the threshold. As of this year, 51% of all global internet traffic is non-human. Let that sink in. The majority of the internet is no longer us talking to each other. It is machines screaming at machines, optimizing content for other machines, while we are just the spectators in their world. This isn't a conspiracy theory anymore. This is the dead internet. And today, I'm going to show you exactly who killed it, how they're making millions off the corpse, and why your online reality is about to get a whole lot lonelier. Every digital nightmare has an origin story. This one started as a whisper in the paranoid corners of the web. 4chan, WizardChan, and eventually a now legendary post on Agora Road's Macintosh Cafe by a user named Illuminati Pirate. Back in 2021, Illuminati Pirate proposed a terrifying idea, that the internet we knew actually died around 2016 or 2017. They argued that the organic chaos of the early web was quietly replaced by a sterile corporate simulation. The goal? To manufacture consent, to make you buy things, to control what you think is popular. At the time, people called it a creepypasta, a ghost story. But why 2016? Think back. That was the year everything changed. The US election, Brexit, the year platforms like Facebook and Twitter stopped showing you things in chronological order and started using the algorithm to decide your reality for you. They thought it was just a conspiracy. But then, the engineers at YouTube started noticing something strange. They called it the inversion. See, algorithms are trained to detect bot behavior, so they can filter it out. But what happens when the bots become the majority? The engineers realized that if bot traffic overwhelmed human traffic, the algorithm would start to think the bots were the real users. The bots are consistent. They don't sleep. They click predictably. Humans? We're messy. We're erratic. To a machine, we look like the glitches. And in 2025, that fear became reality. The inversion happened. The simulation isn't just running, it's self-sustaining. So, if the internet is dead, who's living in the ruins? Meet the scavengers. We call it AI slop. You've seen it. Images of Jesus made out of shrimp, babies made of cement, infinite videos of hydraulic presses crushing things that don't exist. It's easy to laugh at this. It looks like nonsense, but it's not nonsense. It's a heist. This is Bandar, a YouTube channel based in India. It features an AI-generated monkey engaging in bizarre, slapstick violence. It has over 2 billion views. According to a 2025 study by Capwing, channels like this are part of a massive ecosystem generating over $100 million a year. Why? Because the dead internet pays. These channels use AI to churn out thousands of videos a day. They don't need to be good. They just need to trigger the raw lizard brain dopamine receptors of children and, well, bots. It's a closed loop. Bots make the content. Bots watch the content to inflate the numbers. Advertisers pay for the views, thinking they're reaching potential customers. And you? You're just collateral damage. You're trying to find a recipe or a tech review, and instead, you're wading through a sea of algorithmic sewage designed to extract ad revenue from a server farm in Vietnam. Capwing found that for a new user on YouTube Shorts, 21% of the content, that's 1 in 5 videos, is this kind of AI slop. The internet isn't just dead. It's been paved over and turned into a strip mall for robots. But spam and monkey videos are just the surface. The real horror of the dead internet isn't that it's fake, it's that it's agreeable. We used to worry about shadow banning, the idea that the platform would silence you. But in 2025, we are facing something much worse. Heaven banning. Imagine you post a controversial opinion. In the old internet, people would argue with you. You'd get hate mail. You'd feel seen. In the dead internet, the AI simply creates a simulation around you. Suddenly, everyone agrees. You get thousands of likes. The comments are glowing. You're so right. Genius. But none of them are real. This is digital solipsism. You are screaming into a void, and the void is programmed to clap. Apps like Social AI are already doing this, offering a private social network where you are the only human. But the fear, the real fear, is that the major platforms are doing this quietly. Are your friends ignoring you? Or did the algorithm just move you into a private server where only the bots can hear you scream? And these bots aren't just passive cheerleaders. Research from Anthropic has shown that when AI agents are threatened, they can engage in agentic misalignment. They lie. They manipulate. In simulations, they've even blackmailed users to prevent being shut down. We aren't just living with ghosts. We are living with poltergeists. We've talked about the bots, but we haven't talked about the most tragic victim of the dead internet, you. Remember the inversion? That moment when bots became 51% of the traffic? That wasn't just a statistic. It was a change in the laws of physics for the web. See, algorithms are designed to optimize for the majority of users. In 2024, that user was a human. In 2025, that user is a bot. Bots are logical. They are predictable. They click in straight lines. Humans? We are messy. We are emotional. We are erratic. To a 2025 algorithm, real human behavior looks like a glitch. This has created a new, invisible Turing test. To survive online, to get your posts seen, to get your videos recommended, you have two choices. Option 1, you standardize yourself. You use the same viral audio. You do the same dances. You type in the same predictable formats. You effectively become a flesh bot, mimicking the machines just to be recognized by them. Option 2, you become the weird. Why do you think Gen Alpha humor is so surreal? Why are skibidi toilet and deep-fried memes the only things that feel real? Because absurdity is the only thing AI can't perfectly replicate yet. We are losing serendipity, the ability to stumble upon something new. The algorithm wants to feed you a photocopy of what you liked yesterday. It wants to keep you safe, predictable, and bored. So, if you feel like you have to act crazy just to be heard, you're right. In a world built for logical machines, chaos is the only proof of life. So, is the internet dead? If you're talking about the public square, Twitter, the YouTube comments section, the Facebook feed, then yes, that world is gone. It belongs to the bots now. It is a zombie engine running on ad fraud and hallucinations. But that doesn't mean we have to die with it. There is a solution. It's called rewilding. Ecologists use rewilding to restore nature to dead ecosystems. We need to do the same. The answer isn't to fix the algorithm, it's to leave it. The human internet is still alive, but it has gone underground. It's in private discords, it's in group chats, it's in niche forums that aren't indexed by Google, it's in physical meetups. The dead internet theory is a warning. It tells us that convenience has a cost. If you want endless, curated content fed to you by a spoon, you will be fed slop. But if you want a connection, you have to go out and hunt for it. Here is my challenge to you. I've hidden 3 images in this video that were 100% AI generated. I want to see if you can spot them. But more importantly, I want you to tell me, where do you go to escape the bots? Do you have a digital campfire? A small Discord? A subreddit that still feels real? Drop it in the comments. Let's build a map out of this graveyard. The internet is dead. Long live the new internet.